Hello everyone. Today let's learn about pain management. Principles of using analgesics for chronic pain. The use of analgesics for the treatment of acute pain is the same as for non-palliative care patients. It is a treatment of chronic pain that is often poorly managed and requires a different approach. Choice of drug. The selection of which drug or drugs to use involves selecting a drug appropriate for the type of pain, selecting a drug appropriate for the severity of pain, using combination of drugs and not combined preparations, following the analgesic ladder, using adjuvant analgesics, never using placebo. Drug strength. As pain must be controlled as quickly as possible, it is preferable to start with a strong analgesic and subsequently wean the patient to a weaker drug. Type of pain. Different pains respond to different analgesics. Nociceptive pain and neuropathic pain. Drug combinations. When prescribing more than one drug, the different drugs should be given independently and compound preparations avoided. If it is necessary to escalate the dose of one of the drugs in a combined preparation, the dose of the second will also be increased and may cause unwanted toxicity. The analgesic ladder. If the prescribed drugs do not produce adequate analgesia, treatment is escalated in an orderly manner, from non-opioid to weak opioid to strong opioid, as illustrated in the World Health Organization's analgesic ladder. Non-opioid analgesic should be continued when opioid drugs are commenced, as their action can be complementary and allow lesser doses of opioids to be used. Adjuvant analgesics should be used whenever indicated. Placebo. There is no place for the use of placebo medications in the treatment of chronic pain in palliative care. It is unethical and will lead to distrust if discovered by the patient. Whether or not a response occurs provides no useful information. Drug administration. The principles of analgesic administration for chronic pain are: give inadequate dosage, titrate the dose for each patient, schedule administration according to drug pharmacology, administer on a strict schedule to prevent pain, not PRN, give written instructions for patients on multiple drugs, give instructions for treatment of breakthrough pain, warn off and give treatment to prevent adverse effects. Keep the analgesic program as simple as possible. Use the oral route wherever possible. Review and reassess. Choice of drug. Dose. The selected drug or drugs are prescribed in a dose adequate to relieve the pain. The dose needs to be titrated against the pain for each patient. Schedule. Drugs are given according to a strict schedule determined by the duration of drug action to prevent the recurrence of pain, not PRN. Drugs are given on an as required basis, or PRN usually results in poor pain control. Instructions for breakthrough pain. It is essential to give instructions for the treatment of breakthrough pain. It is reassuring, avoids the despair that occurs if an analgesic program is ineffective, helps the patient feel in control. Keep it simple. Avoid multiple analgesics. It is usually possible to simplify the analgesic program even for patients with severe pain. Oral. Oral medication should only be abandoned if the patient is unable to take or retain them. Reassessment. Continued reassessment is necessary and several dose modifications are often needed before optimal pain control is achieved. Thank you, my friends.